Want to turn your love for holistic nutrition into a paid career? This course shows you how, step by step. Are you ready to dive into holistic nutrition? Our certification program offers a comprehensive path for aspiring nutritionists. It consists of multiple lessons, each designed to build your knowledge. You'll also receive downloadable tools to enhance your learning experience. What makes our course unique? We combine expert knowledge with practical skills. This is not just about theory, it's about real-world application. So, who is this course for? If you're a wellness lover, a health coach, or someone seeking a flexible career, this program is made for you. Even if you're already a remote worker, you can fit this into your schedule seamlessly. My journey began years ago. I studied extensively, only to find the options limited, confusing, or expensive. That's why I created this course. It's both complete and affordable, designed to help you succeed. What should you do next? Don't wait any longer. Download the course now and start your certification today. Let's embark on this journey towards your new career in holistic nutrition.